years, man, maybe it's been even more. Back before I could buy all my liquor at the grocery store. Sweet little siren song lured me further north, with promises of honey wine mixed in with all our intercourse. But anywho, I digress. What a mess. Spent up all my paycheck on these baby clothes and cigarettes. The man hand me handouts all the while I grow hollow every night. Just go to bed and dream I win the lotto. Like, please God, daddy needs a new pair of shoes. And if I'm being honest though, the baby could use some too. And if you're down to take requests, I got a few on my list. I hope it doesn't freak you out that I don't think you exist, right? I just wanna sit and watch this freaking ball game, fearing that me and my girl can't share a single brainwave. Looking back, I kinda think I lack maturity. Resentment always seems to tag along with insecurity.
Life from the west side, living that good life. Life in the landslide, but you know it's been a ride. Yeah, it's been a ride. We go wrong way on the freeway. Don't care what they say, we did it our way. And you know it's been a ride. Yeah, it's been a ride.
Wobbity wobbity wop, rock till my brain rot. Work till your legs drop, flop until fame stops. To all the children, I hope that you learn your lesson, that a couple poor decisions leads to dire consequences. Jesus, nothing worse than splitting up all your possessions, cause the depths of your depression makes you act like adolescents. You just hoping that they listen for another couple seconds, but when stubborn starts to lessen, you go back to making messes. Like, why you always gotta do the same thing, boy? Her brain connects directly to her heart and neither one's a toy. Frankly, you're mistaken if you think there's only one to blame. Makeup, but not really, then you're back to being foes again.
Just cause they like you don't mean that they're like you.
And you can't love them if you're only stressing what they might do. When the world says to pack up and move, you plant your feet by the river of love and tell them you move. And in the end it could be sweeter than sweet, when you realize another heart could share the same beat. When it's two against the world because you're on the same team. And of course it never hurts if you like rubbing some feet. Pro tip.
Life from the west side, living that good life. Life in the landslide, but you know it's been a ride.